All right, so today I'm back out at Chastain Beach. This is, like I've told you before, one of my favorite beaches in the world. It's so beautiful here. Now, when Hurricane Nicole swept through here, yes, it washed away the sand, but they are rebuilding it. They've got sand back now, and I think it'd be a good time to do a Help Me Find My Best drone shot. Okay, so the drone is updating. It's taken forever, so while it's updating, why don't we take a look at the last Help Me Find My Best drone shot and see what shot won.
Olise Wells voted for shot number 1. It was a wonderful shot spotlighting the beautiful waterways of Treasure Island, Florida. Shot 2 was cruising down the famous Gulf Boulevard and got Andre Martin's vote. Shot 3 got Slayer Mike Fishing and More's vote, and also got the most votes out of all 3 shots and won this episode. I'd like to thank everyone that voted and made a comment.
So here's how it works. I'm gonna launch the drone. I'm gonna find 3 shots. Here comes a big wave. So I'm gonna launch the drone. I'm gonna find 3 shots for you to vote on. Vote on your favorite shot. Help me find my best drone shot. All right, so those are the 3 shots. I'm bringing the drone back right now. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but you can probably sure hear it. I'm bringing the drone back because I got our 3 shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. You probably can't see my face here, but those are the 3 shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Take care.